Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, just go into settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and click on About Phone over here. Finally, you can click on Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. To save your changes, you need to click on OK, and then OK again in this device name pop-up. After that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!